Good morning and welcome. It's the 12th of January and it's just after 9 o'clock, and we'll start as ever with the AUD USD. We've seen a lot of weakness overnight in the US dollar, and that's shown up actually. We've had a big candle up yesterday, and we have a small red candle this morning. We're just going to have a look at the yeah, here we go. This is the DXY, which is a spot. It's actually broken through support, and it's found a new low. So just move support down a bit. And that's about the bottom of these recent candles. We're actually down on about the 30.9, and I'm expecting for it to come back up. We have got a long ratio for the Australian dollar. This resistance here seems to be holding pretty much at the moment. We've come back up, and we're sort of like we're looking back down, and we've got a long ratio for the Australian dollar, which is fairly weak, and I'm thinking maybe that will be increased to short. We'll lose some of the long and it'll go short with the commitment of traders tonight. So same problem we've got with the pound US dollar. We've sort of come up to recent highs. We've got resistance just above it, top of these tails over here, and I am expecting this to short back down. So same again, daily chart. Thank you. We've made fresh highs on the euro dollar. We've got up to 121.2250 basically. I didn't expect that this morning, but there you go. But again, the RSI is making a lower high, so we'll see where that goes, but a bit disappointed with that. US dollar CAD, we've only had a little bit of a pullback, so basically we've also lost a bit of strength on the Canadian dollar. USD, Swiss franc, again we're back down to this support. We've got a long ratio of 3.5 to 1 on the Swiss franc. USD, JPY, we've come down to support here. I did have a trade down here with it, which I've actually taken off. So we'll see where that goes, whether the support holds or if we have a little bit of a bounce back up. We're just above the 30.9 and we're kind of flattening out a little bit. New Zealand dollar, well, as ever, we're continuing up with this. We've come through the resistance. I think there's a good chance now we'll go up now to about the 73, 78 mark. So yep, we're nicely well above the 69.1, slightly angled down, but I think that might decrease as we go into the day, and we'll be heading up a bit further. Silver, we bounced off this support here. Obviously a weaker dollar, the price of the silver goes up, so we've come back through the resistance, and we're sort of moving back up, and it's moving up as we watch. So we'll see where that goes to. And again, we're down to the dollar, and it is well down on this support at the moment, and in fact it looks like it's going to break through. So that looks to me like a buy on the way back up. Put a trend line on the RSI and buy it on the way back up. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers now.